Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is hectic. It is pronounced hec-tic and is spelt H-E-C-T-I-C. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming course and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Hectic is an adjective that means full of incessant or frantic activity. It is often used to describe a situation or period of time that is very busy, chaotic, or filled with rush and confusion. For example, you could say, the morning before the school trip was hectic as everyone tried to pack their bags and find their missing shoes. Or, the emergency room was hectic with doctors and nurses rushing to treat patients. The word hectic comes from the Greek word hektikos, which means habitual or constitutional. In the film Zootopia, Judy Hopps' first day on the job as a police officer is hectic. She is overwhelmed by the fast-paced environment, the endless paperwork, and the sheer number of cases she has to handle. Synonyms for hectic include frantic, chaotic, frenzied, and bustling. Antonyms for hectic include calm, peaceful, quiet, and tranquil. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Hectic. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.